you. Talk about the dreams we wanna pursue. Your laughter sweet like island breeze. Your touch calm me out with ease. When life get rough, when the night's so long, you there beside me, keep me strong. You give me faith, you give me reason. Our love flow through every season. Roots of love growing deep inside. No storm can break, no tide divide. From the earth to the stars above, we hold on strong to the roots of love. Roots of love, pure and true. Every beat my heart belongs to you. In this world so cold and rough, we find peace in the roots of love. Me no need diamond, me no need gold. Just your warmth when the night get cold. You and me, two souls entwined. In a light we always shine. From Kingston town to the ocean blue, every love song remind me of you. Together we rise, together we fall. Still me love you through it all. Every little moment me cherish it so. Every little word made my spirit glow. No Babylon stress can tear this apart. God bless our love from the start. Roots of love, steady like a drum. Beat of me heart, say you the one. From the sunrise to the moon above, we live forever in the roots of love. Roots of love, steady like a drum. Beat of me heart, say you the one. From the sunrise to the moon above, we live forever in the roots of love.
Strong, you carry it true.
God bless this bond, God bless this way.
Roots of love forever stay.
Me no fear tomorrow when you're there here. Your voice me comfort, your soul me cheer. In the rhythm of life we groove. One heart, one spirit, one love to prove.
Roots of love,
deep like a tree, stand firm to eternity. No matter the distance, no matter the pain, our roots of love remain. Roots of love bloom again and again. In sunshine, in joy, in rain. Jah guide our heart from above, forever strong. Roots of love. Feel your heartbeat next to mine. Love eternal, Jah divine. Through every trial, every shove, we rise again with roots of love. Soft wind blowing through your hair, your laughter floating in the air. The world fades when I hold you near. Nothing but your heartbeat in my ear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight. Everything feels right. Everything feels right. I don't need diamonds, I don't Night breeze blows soft on the ocean tide. You and I walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, my whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In our this life, love is the prayer.
No worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Hold me close, let the world drift away, and now your arms me wanna stay.
Loving at the moonlight, under silver sky. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat and mine. Girl, but never know love so kind. Loving at the moonlight, slow wind and sway. Two souls dancing till the break of day. No matter where this world may go, me heart said, darling, I love you so.
Palm trees whisper song in the night. Your kiss warm like candlelight. Life may rough, but love make it soft. We human flying high above every line. No jealousy, no games, no lies. Just true living deep in your eyes. Like sweet harmony on a vinyl plate. Our love timeless and never late.
You know you love me
More than rivers love the sea.
Will you stay with me
Till the stars fall asleep.
together? Love is the melody we keep. Loving out the moonlight, night so calm and pure. Every heartbeat whisper this love secure. Hold me tight, never let go. Baby girl, me want the whole world to know. Loving out the moonlight, soft reggae play. Your head on my shoulder till the morning day.
If life is a journey, make we ride it slow. With love as a river, forever it
Moonlight,
shine for you and me tonight.
love so right, love so bright. Yeah, yeah. No matter what Babylon try, them can't kill the spirit of the lion. Africa rise, Jamaica rise, the whole world stand tall. I was born in a place where the rain don't stop, but hope still grow like a small tree top. System rough, but we still survive, cause we carry lion heart deep inside. Mama pray, Moyo Imara stay strong, even when the night feel too long. From Kingston town to Nairobi street, we drum the rhythm of a rebel heartbeat. Them build walls, we break them down. Them wear fake gold, we wear jack crown. No matter the pressure, no matter the fight, your sun still rise in the morning. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum. Fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land. Hold your flame in your hand. From trench town to Nigeria, we chant Uhuru for Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Them still with gold, them still with name, but they can't steal the eternal flame. Hear the voices in the desert wind, Baba Yetu, let freedom begin. So I put my fist to the blazing sky and shout, "Jah live,
We never die.
even if the road is long and steep, the roots of truth run oh so deep. Pause. Who will fight for the youth, them soul?
We will fight till the final goal.
Who will rise when the night get cold? We stand firm, we brave, we bold. up to the morning light. Though the world is cold sometimes, I hear the drums of ancient souls calling me to stay alive. My mama said, child, don't lose your faith. Storms will come, but they don't stay. So I keep walking this dusty road with your love lighting my way. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way, Jah guide my way. Jah guide my way. They offer gold to buy my dreams, silver crown and selfish schemes, but I was born from African clay. My spirit no one can take away. Let the wind carry my song to the ones who feel they don't belong. Lift your head and sing with me. Love is our true legacy. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah. I've seen brothers fall to hate, sisters crying at the gate, but even in the hardest time, Jah still whispers, you are mine. So let the fire burn in peace. Let your anger find release. Plant forgiveness in the ground, and one day love will be found. Emancipate your wandering mind. Leave your broken past behind. Every heart was made to shine. We are children of divine. Jah is not in temples made of stone. Jah is found when love is shown. Close your eyes, you will see He lives in you and me. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my soul from drifting away. Through the fire, through the rain, your love heals my pain. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will say, Jah guide my way. Oh, Jah guide my way. Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire. Oh, Jah guide the way. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Morning sun arise on the hill. Children cry, but them keep still. Mama say tender way, ma. Do good. My child don't fear, for Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong. Still we stand from Kingston town to Addis Ababa. We sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart. No storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Whoa, rise up, my people. Oh yeah, Jah light our blaze like a steeple. From Zion through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song. No matter how the journey long. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Hey. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try fi take we name, try fi take we look. But the drum beat says Simba more, your heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep trying on. Aborigine, they ask me so, me answer Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trenchtown Lane, we chant don't greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song?
Hey Baba, we are strong.
Will you fight till Babylon fall?
Oh yes, we answer the call.
Drum, djembe, heartbeat, same song. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division, only love and Jah vision. Hey. Rise up, my people.
Oh yeah,
Jah love is the highest steeple. From Kingston Bay to Kilimanjaro. No fear, no hate, no sorrow. Stand tall, my African child. Your spirit brave, your heart wild. One world, one faith, one song. Together we forever strong. Oh. Freedom shall come. One love, one heart. Africa, Jamaica, forever one. I say, Amen. Jah Rastafari.
Herbal vision. Oh, oh. From the hills to the valley low, sacred herbs of Jah still grow. They call it illegal, but I call it wise. Medicine sent from the highest skies. Herbal vision, open up my mind. See the world so pure, so divine. No more chains of Babylon's lies. Let the smoke rise, let the truth rise. Babylon judge what they don't understand. Breaking nature with their wicked hand. But the healing of the nation is real. In every leaf, just love we feel. Let it burn for the sick and blind. Let it free the captive mind. This is no crime. This is Jah design. Natural law over man-made line. Natural law over man-made line. Nature law over man-made line. Herbal vision, open up my soul. Oh.
but still stand strong. Babylon a push we down, but the heart keep beating on. Mama said, child, don't let the fire in your soul. For every chain them try to bind, Jah light will take control. Children barefoot in the streets, sing a song of better days. Elders whisper ancient prayer in 1,000 humble ways. Though the night feel long and cold, we not about to fear our pain, 'cause the spirit of the ancestors still running through we vein. Hear the drum beat on the wind, calling nigh and nigh again. Stand together, hand in hand, break the invisible chain. No matter tribe, no matter skin, we all bleed the same red. So lift your voice up to the sky, let the fire spread. Rise up, oh lion heart, burning flame we cannot part. From Africa to island shore, we stronger than we were before. One love, one blood, one destiny. No hatred, no more enemy. Jah guide we spirit through this storm. Together we rise, together we born. We got with us, we stand firm, feel right. Bob Marley chant one love tonight. Lucky Dube cry out, prisoner of war. Steel pulse beat the drum of hope once more. We carry them voice like sacred flame. Each generation call your name. Even if the system try to blind we sight, truth shine deeper than the night. No more brother fight, brother, sister quarreling vain. We not divide by color, by language or name. Africa heart beating a reggae sound, from Kingston streets to Cape Town ground. Burning spear in a breeze still blow, Marcus Garvey words must grow. Rise up, oh lion heart, fire burn but we not depart. Hold the line, don't lose the faith, Jah time it never come too late. One tribe, one voice, unity. Drum of freedom set we free. Though the world still full of pain, together we rise again. We remember, from slave ship tears to the freedom way. We surrender, never, never. Lift your fists high, let the fire ignite. In a Jah love, we win this fight. Oh, spirit of the lion roar, we not bow down no more. Rise up, oh lion heart, from the ashes we depart. Carry hope like morning sun till the battle day is won. One world, one soul, unity. We plant the seeds of harmony. No weapon, no chain can break the burning love that we create. That's we rise up, rise up. Jah light guide us home. Rise up, rise up. While as we run, my love, rise up, my love, one. We are never alone. Oh, right. Yeah, alright. When the world feels dark and heavy, and the road is full of stone, just lift your eyes to the morning sky, you'll see you're not alone. I've been down to the valley of pain, but I kept walking in the rain, 'cause every tear, every scar I've known led me back to Zion home. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. by the ancient of days. In your heart lives a sacred drum, beating loud, saying better days come. No chain of sorrow can hold you still, not while your love is living within. Baba, Baba, Nishikem Kono,
Lead me through the fire.
man, lead me through the fire, help me stand. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. I will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were born a king, you were never torn.
On to the light.
Born in the fire of a stolen land, chains on your feet, but strength in your hand. They tried to break you, tried to erase, but your roots still grow in every place. Walk tall, African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. They can steal gold, they can steal the crown, but never the rhythm or the drumbeat sound. From Ethiopia to Ghana's shore, your blood remembers what you're fighting for. Rise up from the scars and pain. Your history runs deeper than the rain. Lift your voice like the thunder call. You're a warrior, never crawl. Walk tall, African child, African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston Street, to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. Oh, walking down this dusty lane, no need diamonds, no need fame. Every heartbeat sounds the same. Chasing love, not chasing fame. On the one love highway, where the music plays and worries fade. Under golden days, hold my hand, don't be afraid. We'll find peace along the way. On the one love highway, love will guide us.
Birds are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky, a quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, and nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to dim. Every soul needs a place where the light meets grace.
One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Oh, no. Oh, no. Raindrops fall on the window pane. Still your love wash away my pain. Rubber dub love. Yeah. Soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch shield my deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving all the rubber of rain. You soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune or fame. Still I whisper softly your name. Loving all the rubber of rain, like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your arms I will remain, forever in this rubber dub rain. Lightning flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips tastes like sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care. Long as your fingers run through me, yeah. Let the world run wild out there. We got love to share. Loving all the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul, you heal it. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We be together, same heart, same lane. Loving all the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul, you heal it. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We be together, same heart, same lane. Them say love is our weakness, but no, love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows. Rubber dub rain, baby, don't let go. Rubber dub rain, love will overflow. Loving all the rubber dub rain, from Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again. In rubber dub rain, our rain falls, love call. You and I stand tall. Rubber dub rain.
shadows and pain. But me spirit never bow, me still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still. Cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night. Them burn down the village, still the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar. We not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama says, son, keep your faith alive. Even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chance but we so no fear in a crowd. From trends down to Ethiopia land. Raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by we side we will never die. Drums beating like a thunder in me chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won. Oh, chant down Babylon, chant them down till the morning come. Oh, oh, stand up everyone. One heart, one soul, we strong. Africa, we home again. Mama Africa, heal the pain. We rise like the bright red flame. Whoa, freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chains pan with soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion sand, lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun and shine in the morning sky. Freedom chant, Jah guide me. No chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually. Yeah, yeah, no. Yeah. Yeah, na, na, na. Yeah, na, 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 na. Yeah, na, 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 na. Yeah, we wake up with the sunrise glow. Hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. My spirit whisper, don't you fear. Jah light shine bright, it's always here. In a the struggle me find me peace. In a the storm me find release. Though the world so cold, my soul still warm. Cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain night. Wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Yeah, na na. Jah light forevermore. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them, look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you
bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. Light of Jah rising deep in the sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore, Jah light forevermore. Let Jah light guide your way. Every night, every day. Every night, every day. Me heart, when I know, me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Jah sun still shine across the sky. Jah.
Choo-choo, the train of justice is coming. All aboard if you're tired of the system running. Hey, nobody left behind, no matter color or name. This is the freedom train. They put change round our hands, change round our mind. Teach me if you follow, never ask, never find. But truth is a fire that Babylon can't kill. It rise in the mountains, it flow through the hills. Mama cry tears on the broken floor. Society rich while the poor want more. Still we chant down fear, chant down pain, waiting for the sound of the freedom train. Open your eyes, my brother. No man should rule over another. Let the lion roar again. Time to ride the freedom train. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Trench Town Plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jah Jah plan. Freedom train, take the people's hand. All aboard, don't you delay. Justice come for light the way. Hear the whistle through the rain. Stand tall, ride the freedom train. Politicians talk, but them words so cheap. While mama work hard, barely get no sleep. Youth on the corner with no food to eat. Still Jah drum beating on them heartbeat. They try to divide us by color and name. Black, white, brown, but our blood the same. So we break down walls, tear down the chain, and walk together to the freedom train. Do you hear it?
Yes, I hear it.
Do you feel it?
Yes, I feel it.
Jah Jah calling every nation again. Come ride the freedom train. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Kingston town to Zimbabwe plain. Wave your flag but keep your name. Truth and rights we shall proclaim. I don't want peace without justice. I don't want freedom for just one man. Freedom is the breath of humanity, and every man, woman and child deserve to stand.
Freedom, freedom.
Right on, right on. Freedom train is rolling. Take the children home. No one left in the streets alone. From Addis Ababa to Rio Grande, people hold each other hand in hand. Can't stop the flame. Jah light guide the holy name. Through the fire, through the pain, still we ride the freedom train. Choo choo, ride on, ride on. Freedom come. No more chain. Ride the train, the freedom train.
Me wake up with the sunrise glow. Feet on the ground, but me spirit a grow.
child, stay strong. Road dusty, but me march again. Through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try to chain, but me heart not them. Cause a warrior of light must remain. Oh, mama say no fear, my son. Star shine brightest when night come. Lift your voice, let the whole earth hear.
Jah never far, Jah always near.
I am a warrior of the light. Just soldier in the fight through the darkness of the night. My spirit still burn bright. No chains can hold me soul. No system take control. From Africa to the world, me carry Jah love unfold.
Warrior of the light, we chant for truth and right. Raise your hand if you believe. One love can end the fight.
No Babylon, no pressure.
Jah love are the treasure. Stand tall, my brother. Light live forever.
Me see youths with no shoes, yet them still dance. Me see tears in her mama eyes, still she give life a chance. Politician promise, but them break every plan. So we build up in a song like a true Rasta man. From Kingston streets to Nairobi land, from Soweto cries to Zion sand. We sing freedom like the beating drum, till every last chain undone. Hey, Jah Jah.
Light up the way we go.
Oh, Mama Africa.
Your spirit in our flow.
Warriors stand up now.
No retreat, no bow.
Fire of love, let it glow. Let it glow.
I found a warrior of the light, a blazing in the night. Though the world full of war and spite, we choose the path of right.
No weapon form shall win. Love break every sin. Rasta spirit deep within. Freedom where we begin.
Warrior of the light, keep marching to the flame. Call Jah name, no shame. We rise again and again till every nation see the truth. No more tears on the youth. We are warriors of love, standing firm, living proof.
Warrior, warrior of the light.
March on through the night. Jah guide me every fight till morning sunshine bright.
From Kingston Street to Lagos town, from Cape Coast shore to London sound, we chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color, but the blood run one. Them try divide we with border and line, but love no race. Love is divine, so me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Your love connect the people, we all want. No more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. Oh, one world, one heartbeat, children of the sun. Unity rise, the battle done. Lift your hand, chant this song. One world, we belong. We see the children hungry, crying out, while the leaders fight for clout. But me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jah call. Africa smile, Caribbean sway. Spirit of love guide we way. Me no care about skin or creed. Jah plant the same seed there. Every nation come together. We stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation laid. One world, one heartbeat, beating through every color. Red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One world, love we guide. Whoa.
shore. One world, people fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit free.
One world, unity. One world, one heartbeat. Rise again. Love conquer mountain, conquer pain. From Trenchtown hills to Accra Street, we move to one heartbeat. Oh, one world, one heartbeat. Jah plan divine, peace and justice in Jah time. Play the drum, sing this song. One world where we all belong. Where we all belong.
Where we all belong.
We feel the rhythm deep inside. Earth and heaven now collide.
Jah love flow like ocean wide.
One world, one heartbeat.
We ride.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. In the darkness, me see a light shining bright from Jah mountain high. Last night, me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, rise up, mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear. From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant together, one heart, one way. Jah bless the soul, we never stop fight. Even when Babylon block the light, from the ashes we rise again, like the morning dew on Zion plain. Sunrise over Zion, a new day, Jah people lion, yeah. Freedom flame still burning strong. We sing one love, one righteous song. Sunrise over Zion, oh, let the river of peace still flow. No more war, no more cry. Only Jah love paint the sky. My granny tell me long ago, every seed of truth must grow. Though Babylon chain me hands and feet, them can't chain my soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain, still we smile and call Jah name. Them build wall to keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We are one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we along over Zion. Yeah, the light of Jah upon the lion. Yeah, righteous fire never die. Jah kingdom come, Jah people fly. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, let the drums of freedom flow. We nah go bow, we nah go fall. Jah rise the weak, Jah humble the tall. Oh, Mama Africa, can you hear we cry? We coming home, we coming home. From Kingston shore to Nairobi sky. We never alone, we never alone. Lift your voice, lift your soul. Zion fire make we whole. Hey, together, bless the way. Morning light bring a brand new day. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. We rise again, no denying, yeah. Children of Jah, sing loud and clear. Freedom time is finally here. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, hear the drum beat, feel the glow. From Africa land to island sand, Jah people united hand in hand. Rise, my brother, rise. Sunshine, heal your weary eyes. Zion calling, don't you fear.
Your love whisper, I'm right here.
Sunrise,
Sunrise,
sunshine,
over Zion.
sunshine.
One heart, one soul, one Jah design.
Rainfall from my window, silence in a room. Mama lights a candle, praying through the gloom. She said, child, even when the night feel long, remember every tear can become a freedom song. Daddy gone, but his voice live in a breeze. Say stand tall even when you down on your knees. So me wipe me eyes, step into the sun. Cause the journey hard, but me not run. Every broken heart can rise again. Every lonely night must meet the dawn. Jah never leave you in the pain. Hold on strong, keep moving. Tears turn to freedom, cries turn to song. What was weak yesterday now strong. From Trenchtown streets to Cape Town sky, we live with eyes, with spirit high. Tears turn to freedom, no more chains. Love wash away the deepest stains. Hold the fire, keep it burning bright till the whole world step into the light. Yeah, yeah. Missy youths them fight just to survive. Missy hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze on in ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land. Be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh Jah, guidance, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh Mama Africa, we feel your love in all the drum and fire. No more sorrow, tomorrow brighter than today we know. One heart, one road we go, we go. Tears turn to freedom, no more fear. Jah whisper healing in all the air. From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Hey. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand. One blood, one love across the land. Though the world try break me down, still we crowned with Zion sound. Hey, yeah. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Your love, carry me through the fight till darkness fade out of sight.
Mama earth crying, drum beat echo from the mountain land. Ubuntu, one love no deny. Rise up people, open your eyes. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whisper secrets only ancient spirits know. Mama earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain. But Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu we are one, no bother, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one. We never say die. Rise the burning, stop the hurt. Oh, from Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert sun, searching for water with empty hand. Still them smile, still them sing just song, even when the nights feel cold and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in our soil. Watch it grow despite the toil. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, heal the land, give it word. Oh, from Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, we lift the people when life beat them down. Die, we die too. So why we fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her? Mama Earth is not a place we own, it's a place we borrow from the children. Rise up, Mama don't fade. Give her love like a newborn lay. From Kingston Harbor to Cape Town shore, one heart, one world, forevermore. Jah light guide the way. Ubuntu, one love, one day. Rise up, keep your head low, don't question norm. But me see truth in all the rising sun. Babylon rule soon done. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still stand tall, me no feel no pain. Cause the power of Jah live deep inside. No system can stop this ride. Like no bullet, no bomb, no chain can hold. Revolution coming, a heart so bold. Wake up the youth, open your eyes. Time for see true Babylon disguise. One drop revolution beat up the hearts. Freedom sound tear Babylon apart. No gun,
Woke up this morning, breeze so kind. Golden rays are dancing in my mind. Got no worries, let the world just roll. Reggae rhythm healing all my soul. Let the sunshine break the night. Let the music make it right. Sunshine on my soul. Let the good vibes flow. Life's a winding road, but I take it slow. With a heart so free and the ocean breeze. Sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace, bring me peace. Sunshine on my soul. Walking barefoot on the sand. Waves are clapping like a band. Friends are laughing, fires warm and bright. Singing songs beneath the moon tonight. No chains on me, just harmony. Love and rhythm set me free. Storm may come, but I will stay. With the sunshine guiding my way. With the sunshine guiding my way. Sunshine on my soul. With a heart so free and the ocean breeze. Sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace, bring me peace. Sunshine on my soul. Sunshine on my soul. Let the music take control. Yeah, yeah. Sunshine on my soul. Let the music take control. Oh yeah, yeah. With a heart so free and the ocean breeze. Sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace, bring me peace. Sunshine on my soul.
Down by the lane where the youth still play. Echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke of the herb rise up to the sky. Old man hum while the children cry. Life's so rough yet we carry on. Under the sunset of Trench Town. Over Trench Town, fire in the sky. Jah bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love, we build our sound. Under the sunset, in a Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, rhythm so sweet. Love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trench Town sound. Trench Town sound. Oh. see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame, say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody, every fight write a history. From the ghetto come the crown, we're kings and queens of Trench. Sunset of Trench Town, light in the breeze, sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound, we're free in the sunset of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, light in the breeze, sound of hope, travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound, we're free in the sunset of Trench Town. Umoja, unity forever. Trench Town people rise together. From Kingston to Accra, call one love conquer all. Drum beat talk, the spirit respond. From the earth to sky beyond, we feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, fire in the heart, roots and love, that's where we start. Music heals, your love surround, peace and pride in a Trench Town sound. Sunset over Trench Town, burning gold, story of the people strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, your light shine on Trench Town. We go again by the sandy street, heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray, sunset bless another day. Trench Town, live forever. Hey, yeah, yeah. Voices in my head keep telling me to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit, but I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper, love is always here. Raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin. Even when the night is long and cold, sing your song, let your spirit unfold. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jaja will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. Keep the fire burning. Walking through the streets with no goal to show, but I've got love and that's enough to grow. See the children dancing barefoot in the rain, teaching us joy in the middle of the pain. Let the drum beat carry you away, let forgiveness wash the hate away. We are warriors of peace and sound, stronger every time we fall to the ground. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even
Africa, why you cry? Oh, cry. Oh, why? She wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market cars. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Your light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food inside, but we sing a man love, Moja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit life, it will never decay. Rich men dying in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry your story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Hungry, no food inside. Whoa. But we sing a man like Moja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit life, it will never decay.